Hello and welcome to Your Sky Tonight weather. Tonight it's looking pretty clear. Mostly clear skies, a little bit of wind, but it's out of the north, so it's not as much of a problem. However, we will warn you that coming up, looking at the further ahead future, the weather's not looking quite as great, but stay positive for tonight. Time for some more questions. First one up here, what current projects that are happening excite/draw your attention the most? So definitely, like nearly everyone in astronomy is waiting on the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST. I'm really excited about that. I hope maybe I'll get to use it in the future, but it also gives us like repeated panic attacks because there are so many things that could go wrong. I'm also really excited in general about LIGO and especially the follow-up results because I think it's really cool how we can see how everything is connected and study the same exact object/event in multiple different wavelengths and see how things change and evolve across everything. I don't know, it's really cool. Any hopes for the future of astronomy and for yourself? I hope the JWST works flawlessly, nothing goes wrong. And I also hope that I get my PhD and maybe discover something cool. That'd be nice. I mentioned a little bit last night or 2 nights ago, I think, I don't know, time is weird and I can't figure it out all the time, that observing near the moon makes things tricky. Possibly I didn't explain that well enough. So the idea is that if you're looking too close to the moon, it makes it really hard to see our faint objects. The best analogy I've been able to come up with in the past 5 minutes is that if you're looking at just like a normal glow stick bracelet in the dark room, it looks brilliant, it's really bright, and you can see it really easily. But then if you go out in the sun, in the middle of the day, suddenly it's really bright and your glow stick, you know that it's still glowing with the same brightness, but it's so much harder to see that glow. So if we get too close to the moon, then we can't see the light from our really distant, very faint galaxies. I was also asked if I have pets. Yes, I do. I have a cute little cat. His name is Buddy. He's probably at home sleeping right by the door because he misses me. I also have a dog that doesn't actually live with me, but her name is Gracie and she's my sweetheart and she's my favorite. Final question for tonight. I was also asked what type of telescopes I use, and rather than go into all the detail about that, I'm actually just going to direct you to previous videos from when I was actually at the mountain for the telescope that I'm using now, which is WIN. It is a big mirror telescope, 3.5 meters, but go ahead and check out those videos there.